Experiencing join error messages when trying to play Roblox on your PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4? You're not alone. These issues commonly stem from network configuration problems, privacy restrictions, and limitations specific to the PlayStation platform. One of the main culprits is NAT-type mismatches. Your console's network setup may be blocking or limiting incoming connections that Roblox needs for multiplayer functionality. Additionally, both your Roblox account settings and PlayStation Network privacy settings can inadvertently prevent you from joining games. There are also limitations specific to the PlayStation platform that can contribute to these issues. Let's dive deeper into NAT types. There are different NAT types, ranging from Type 1, which is open and ideal for seamless joining, to Type 3, which is strict and restricts access. Your NAT type determines how your console connects to Roblox servers and can be the root cause of many join errors. Even though Roblox releases updates, such as version 2.580, to address these issues, and Sony updates the PlayStation Network, the interaction between them can still lead to connection problems, especially during peak hours or when attempting to join private servers. Basic fixes such as restarting your console or checking your internet connection often resolve the issue, but persistent problems usually require more advanced troubleshooting involving your router settings or account privacy configurations. Let's walk through the key steps to troubleshoot and fix these annoying join errors. First, ensure your Roblox privacy settings allow others to join you. Check the Who Can Join Me option in Roblox and set it to Everyone for public games. This setting controls who can access your games and is often the first barrier to overcome. Next, examine your PSN privacy settings and ensure parental controls or privacy modes aren't blocking invites or cross-platform play. Sony's PlayStation Network has multiple privacy layers that can restrict connections, so review and adjust these settings to allow seamless interaction between platforms. Make sure your Roblox account is linked to your PSN account. This linking process is crucial for enabling full cross-platform functionality and preventing authentication errors that can block joins. Without proper account synchronization, the systems may not recognize each other. Network settings are crucial. Roblox requires open ports, specifically UDP 53364 or 53650 for voice chat and gameplay. You might need to adjust your PS4 or PS5 firewall settings manually to allow these specific ports through. Firewall restrictions are a common source of connection problems. Enabling UPnP, or Universal Plug and Play, on your router can also help automatically forward these ports. This feature simplifies network configuration by allowing devices to discover and communicate with each other without manual port management. It's a convenient solution for users who prefer automated setups. If problems persist, investigate your NAT type and consider port forwarding, or, as a last resort and with caution, enabling DMZ on your router. NAT types range from open to strict, with open being ideal for gaming. Port forwarding targets specific ports, while DMZ exposes a device to the internet. Use it carefully to maintain security. Finally, keep an eye out for common error codes like 277 or 103, which often indicate network issues. Try using an Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. Wired connections typically offer lower latency and fewer interruptions than wireless ones. If you're still facing issues, check the Roblox support pages for PS5 specific guides and consult community forums for shared solutions. These resources provide detailed troubleshooting steps and real-world fixes from other users who have encountered similar problems.